Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart app for curbside pickup. First, download the free Walmart app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Make sure to enable location services when prompted, as this helps the app identify your nearest Walmart store for convenient shopping. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now let's place an order. From the app's home screen, tap Pickup and Delivery and then select Pickup. You can then browse thousands of items, adding them to your virtual cart. Once you've selected everything you need, review your cart carefully. Proceed to checkout, where you'll choose a pickup time slot that works best for your schedule, often available within a few hours. On your pickup day, you'll receive a notification when your order is ready. Drive to your chosen Walmart store and follow the clear signs directing you to the designated curbside pickup area. These spots are typically well marked. Once you've parked, open the Walmart app and use the check-in feature. This alerts the store associates to your arrival, usually within a minute or two. After checking in, a friendly Walmart associate will bring your complete order directly to your vehicle. They will carefully load all your groceries or items into your car, ensuring everything is accounted for. You can quickly confirm your order with them. This entire process is designed for maximum convenience, allowing you to stay in your car and save valuable time, often completing the pickup in under 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.